Let's start. The last of the previous session, we have learned about the type conversion. After type conversion, next topic is the operators. Do you know about the anyone know about the operators? What are the operators or what is operator? Yes, anyone? What is operator? Hence, we have learned about the operators. We are learning of about the or we are listening the term operator from since our childhood. Means we are using the operators in the maths, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, modulation. Means we are using it. Yes, Yuri. Plus, minus, etc. Yes, we are using these operators from since our childhood. Means in operators there are two terms. One is operator and next one is the operand. And in operand, what are the operands? Suppose if you are writing with the heading operators, operators. There are two terms. First one is the operands, and the next one is the operator. What are the operands? Suppose if you are writing 1 plus 2, means the 1 and the 2 is the operands, means the value on which the operations are going to be performed are known as the operands. And the which type of operation we are going to perform on the operands are known as the operators. Means here 1 and 2 is the operands and plus is the operator. Means this is the arithmetic operator. Plus is the operator and 1 is the and the 2 is the operands. Means suppose there are two types of operands. One is the unary operand and the next one is the binary operand. Means an operand with one an operator with one operand is known as the unary operand or the unary operand, and the operands with the two and the operator with the two operands is known as the binary operand. Means suppose if you are writing here minus 1, so this one is the unary operand. If you are writing 1 plus 2, sorry, 1 plus 2, this one is this one is the binary operand because there are more than one operand are there. Means in operands there are two types of operands. First is the unary and next one is the binary. If there is one operand with operator there are only one operand or one value, so it called as a unary operand. And if more than one operands present with the operator are known as the binary operands. Just take one example. Let x is equals to 1, then I will assign x is equals to minus x. Means this is the example of the unary operand. X equals to minus x, then alert x Let's see what it will return. Let's refresh. It returns the -1 because we it is a unary operand because we are converting or we are yes we are converting. We are storing the 1 in x, then we are converting it in a minus, means minus x. So it prints the -1. And here next example of the binary operand. Let x is equals to 5. Check here. Comma y is equals to 10. Then alert semicolon x plus y. Go. We are using the binary operand, means we are using two operands with one operator. So it returns 15 because it adds the value x and the it adds the value of the x and y. So it returns 15 here. Yes, these are the types of the operands. Next, types of the operator. Types of the operator. Yes, anyone tell me, do you know how many types of operators are there uh, in programming language? How many types of operators are there? Yes, am I audible? Yes, logical, arithmetic, okay, binary. Yeah, there are. So let's start first with the arithmetic operator or the maths operator. First one is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, there are plus, minus, multiplication, division, sorry, multiplication, division, then modulus, and one more is there, exponential, means double star. Sorry, just comma. These are the arithmetic operators. Okay, let's take one example. Just copy the same thing here. Control C, Control V. Let's remove this. Let x is equals to 15. Just copy this. X alert, next x minus y, next x multiply y, and the next one the x divide y. Just comment this. I'll tab. Just refresh it. See. First, the addition of the x and y means 15 and the 10 is 25. Next, subtraction is 5. Next, multiplication is 150. And the next one, the division is 1.5. Is next is the modulation. Does anyone know about the modulation? What is the work of the modulation? What modulation will do? व्हाट मॉड्यूलेशन इज यूज्ड फॉर? क्यों यूज करते हैं हम लोग मॉड्यूलेशन? यस नेहा, it is used for returning the remainder. If there is some remainder is remaining, so it returns the remainder. Here, just put, just comment these and uncomment this alert. Sorry, yes, alert X module Y. Let's see what it will return. It will return 5. So 5 is a remainder. So it will return 5. Okay. And the last one is the, and the next one is the exponentiation. Exponentiation. What is the work of the exponentiation? Anyone know about the exponentiation? Yes. Anyone know about the exponentiation? It indicates with the double star. Exponentiation means, what is the work of the exponentiation? Yes. Anyone know about the exponentiation? Yes. No idea. Yes, Yuri. No idea. No sir. Okay. Exponentiation means, exponentiation operator is a operator which is used to, means it multiplies. Suppose if you are passing, let's go to the, suppose here it is 2, I am taking 2 here, and here it is 3, means the first one is the value. आपने power सुना, you hear about the power, 2 to power 3. The same work is of the, मीन जैसे 2 टू पावर 3 का वैल्यू क्या होता है कि 2 को हम लोग 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो सेम काम हमारा एक्सपोनेशन का है. इट मल्टीप्लाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स टू द वाई टाइम्स, मीन्स सपोज अगर हमने 2 और 3 लिया है, तो ये 2 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. जस्ट सी द रिजल्ट व्हाट इट विल रिटर्न्स. 2 के पावर 3 मीन्स 8, it will return 8. It will return 8, means exponential means the power वट एवर वी आर पासिंग, और जो भी हम लोग फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो भी दिया हमने एक्स, जो भी हमने, अगर हमने वाई को पहले रखा एक्स को बाद रखा, तो वाई के वैल्यू को एक्स टाइम्स उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. यस, रेजिंग वन क्वांटिटी इन द, ओके. यस, इट द पावर, मीन जैसे हमारा पावर वर्क करता है मैथ्स में, वैसे ही सेम काम हमारा एक्सपोनेशन का होता है. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट वी विल लर्न अबाउट द स्ट्रिंग कॉन्केटेनेशन विथ बाइनरी, मीन्स हम लोग अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स प्लस को यूज करके हम लोग स्ट्रिंग कॉन्केटेनेट कैसे करते हैं. हाउ विल concatenate the string using the binary operate or the binary operator. Just take one example. Let str1 is equals to um, sorry, say 1 equals to semicolon hello, and next let s sorry str2 is equals to everyone Suppose if you want to concatenate these two strings, then you have to use the plus operator. Alert str1 plus str2. Just go here and just refresh it. Hello everyone. It didn't give any space here. If you want to give the space here, then just put one space in the double quotes and again print the star. Sorry, plus. Use the S. Then just refresh. Yes, here is space. Hello everyone. Means we can concatenate the string by using the plus operator. Let's take another example. Suppose I am using here 1 and I am passing here only the 2. Then what it will return? Let's see. It will return 1 space 2. If I remove the space, then it will print the 12 because 1 is the string and 2 is the integer. So it concatenate the string with the integer. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि वन हमारा एस टी आर वन में जो हमारा वन वैल्यू है वो एज ए स्ट्रिंग हम लोग स्टोर कर रहे हैं, तो वो स्ट्रिंग है। और एस टी आर टू में हमारा टू स्टोर कर रहे हैं, इट इज इन अ नंबर फॉर्मेट और द इंटीजर फॉर्मेट। So it concatenate the it didn't perform the addition operation because one is a string and the next one is the number. So it concatenates the string with the number. Yes. Next one is the um, next one is the sorry. Next one is the comparison. Means next one is the comparison operator. Let's comment this. Next one is the comparison operators. Yes. Anyone know about the comparison operator? What are the which one is the comparison operator? Yes, hello. What are the comparison operators? Am I audible? Yes. Less than, greater than, equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to. These are the comparison operators. In comparison operators, we are comparing the two operands. मीन्स इसमें हम लोग दो ऑपरेंड्स को कंपेयर करते हैं. We are comparing the two operands by using the greater than, less than, equal to equal to, then less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. We are comparing the two operators. We are comparing the two operands. Sorry, not operators. We are comparing the two operands by using the comparison operator. If it is true, if it is correct, suppose if you are checking the 2 is greater than 1. Sorry, 2 is greater than, if you are writing 2 is greater than 1, so it returns if it is true. अगर वो 2 बड़ा होगा 1 से, if 2 is greater than 1, then it will return true. Here it will return true. if you are checking 2 is less than 1, so it returns false because it is not correct. If the comparison is correct, then it will return true. If the comparison is not correct, it will returns the false. Means it returns the boolean value. Sorry. अगर ये सही हुआ तो हमारा जो कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर है तो वो क्या करता है, इट विल रिटर्न द बुलियन वैल्यूज। ये क्या करता है, बुलियन वैल्यूज को रिटर्न करता है। अगर सही हुआ तो ट्रू रिटर्न करेगा, अदरवाइज फॉल्स रिटर्न करता है ये। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। where a is equals to 10 and the b, sorry, so is comma, b is equals to 20. Alert, 2 is, sorry, alert, a is greater than b. Control C, just copy this, a is less than b, and just check. First it returns false. Just a minute. We are assigning a as a 10 and b as a 20. So first, if a is greater than b means 10 is greater than 20. No, it is false. So it returns false. And the next, 20 is greater than 10. So it returns true. Means 10 is less than 20. Yes, true. So it returns true here. Means by using comparison operator, we can compare the two operands or the two situations, the two values. It is used for the comparing the two objects, two values. Either it is true, it returns true or false. It returns the boolean values. अगर वो सही हुआ तो रिटर्न करेगा ट्रू, इफ इट इज फॉल्स अगर वो गलत हुआ तो वो रिटर्न करेगा फॉल्स। नेक्स्ट वी विल सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ द वन स्ट्रिंग कंपैरिजन। Let's take the example of the string comparison. Let's take let str1 is equals to a b c. Next another let str2 is equals to a b c. Then alert str1, sorry, str1 is greater than str2. Yes, what it will return? It returns true. In string comparison, strings are compared letter by letter means इसमें क्या होता है कि जो भी हमारा स्ट्रिंग होता है वो लेटर बाय लेटर कंपेयर करता है। इट फर्स्ट कंपेयर्स द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द बोथ strings. If it is true or if it is greater than or less, then it returns the value. It directly, it didn't go to the next. If the first two characters are equal, then it go to the next character. स्ट्रिंग कंपैरिजन में क्या होता है कि जो हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर होता है वो उसको चेक करता है। अगर फर्स्ट लेटर में हमारा ग्रेटर या लेस हुआ तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो रिटर्न कर देगा वैल्यू, बुलियन वैल्यूज। अगर ग्रेटर हुआ तो ट्रू करेगा। अगर ग्रेटर देन चेक किया है, अगर ग्रेटर हुआ फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर ही, तो वो रिटर्न करेगा ट्रू। अगर फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर अगर सेम होता है, इफ फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज इक्वल, then it go to the next character, then it checks the next character either it is greater or not. If it is greater, then it returns the value। मीन्स सेम वैसे ही प्रोसेस वो लास्ट तक करता है। अगर हमें सेम सारा सारा वैल्यू सेम मिलता जाए तो वो उसे रिटर्न तब तक नहीं करेगा जब तक हमारा कोई भी कैरेक्टर बड़ा या छोटा ना मिले उससे। Just check the A, I'm putting the same thing, ABC ABC, so it returns false because both are equal, no greater than or equal. If I put here greater than or equal here, sorry, then it will return true because A and A, B, C, the all three characters are same. All three characters are equal. If I put here capital B, not here, A, B, I am putting capital B here, so it will returns false because the small b, the value of the ASCII value of the small b is greater than the capital B. So it will return the false because the capital B is not greater than the small b. Are you getting? You all are getting the string conversion? समझ में आया? Is equal to, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? String comparison. Hello? Okay. Now we are going to compare the different types। मीन्स हम लोग एक बार एग्जांपल लेंगे, हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स का। अगर हम एक में वैल्यू डालेंगे स्ट्रिंग, नेक्स्ट में नंबर, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर the integer and the string। We are going to compare the integer with the string, then let's check what it will return and what will be the output। Just take let age equals to 5 and b is equals to, sorry, take one numeric value here, b is equals to 5, then let's see what it will return। Alert, a is greater than b, it will return false because the ASCII value of the character 5 is greater than the numeric 5। If you are comparing like this, if if it also returns false, true is equals to 1 and the, suppose if we are comparing 5 with 4, if a is greater than b, It will return true because 5 is greater than the 4. Okay. Now just take, now I'm going to check the boolean. Now we are going to check the or compare the boolean values. इस मीन्स हम जा रहे हैं अब चेक करने, क्या चेक करेंगे अब, ट्रू का वैल्यू 1 होता है क्या और फॉल्स का वैल्यू 0 होता है क्या. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेक. सो जस्ट डायरेक्ट टाइप अलर्ट true true. About this alert true is equal to 1, and the next false is equal to 0. Just refresh. Yes, true is equals to 1, true, and the next false is equal to 0, true. Means the value of the true is 1 and the false is 0. Just swap the value. True is equal to 0 and false is equals to 1. Let's check what it will return. The value of true is 1, so it returns false because we are assigning there the 0. And the next is also false because we are assigning in false as a 1. Means we are checking, we are comparing the value of false as a 1. False means 0, but we are checking 1, so it returns false. Means हम यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं कि हमारा जो ट्रू का वैल्यू और फॉल्स का वैल्यू क्या होता है. मीन्स बुलियन वैल्यू जो रिटर्न होता है तो हम यहाँ चेक कर सकते हैं कि बुलियन जो वैल्यूज है हमारे ट्रू के वैल्यू क्या है और फॉल्स की वैल्यू क्या होती है. मीन्स ट्रू जब भी रिटर्न होता है मीन्स हमारा कभी भी अगर हमारा कोई भी अगर कंपेयर करते हैं हम वैल्यूज, इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग द टू ऑपरेंड्स, if it is returning true means it is returning 1, and if it is returning false means it is returning 0. So true का वैल्यू 1 होता है and the false value is 0. now now just एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे हम लोग, टाइप कंपैरिजन विद द टाइप कन्वर्जन. यस, यू ऑल आर. साला अभी चल रहा था. Yes, now we are going to take one example with the type conversion and the comparison operator. Now we are going to check, let example a, let a is equals to 0. We are assigning 0 in a. Next check alert. Sorry. Alert boolean a. Next let b is equals to 0. Next alert boolean b. Next alert age equals to b. Hence we are assigning 0 in a and we are converting A in a boolean format means A in boolean the value of 0 is false. Here we are checking the value of 0 is false. यहाँ पर हमने चेक किया था हमारे false का वैल्यू 0 होता है, सो हमने A में 0 असाइन किया और उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया boolean में, मीन्स इट इज अ false. नाउ हमने B में स्ट्रिंग स्टोर किया है 0, हमने उसको फिर से कन्वर्ट कर दिया boolean में, और हम लोग क्या चेक कर रहे हैं, इफ A इज इक्वल टू बी, हम लोग कंपेयर कर रहे हैं A B के इक्वल है या नहीं. So let's check. It will return the false, true, then true means first it will return the false because other boolean A, the value of A is 0. Just a minute. Yes, then the value of B is 0. Then return the true because the value of both the values are 0. The value of A is 0. The value of B is also 0. Means the false false. The value of A and B both are false. 0 and 0 both are false. So it returns the true. A is equal to B. Just take another example. I am assigning here A is equals to 5. Just remove this. कट जा रहा होगा. Yes. Next, we are here. Now we are converting the value of A in the string. So for conversion, we are using the string. Then we are passing the A. Sorry. Just take another. B is equals to 5. Just compare A is equal to B. So we are taking as a number. We are assigning 5 in A, means we are assigning integer value in A, and again we are assigning in A to convert the integer value in a string. गया. It returns the true, means A is equal to 5, means first we are assigning the value of A as a 5 as a number, and the next I will convert it in the string format, and the next variable we are assigning 5 as a string. So both are in a string format. So it returns true, means both are equal. If I अगर मैं यहाँ इसे convert ना करूँ, if I will not convert it, so it will returns the false because sorry, the value of the 5 uh, yeah, both are equal. So it returns the true because here is also the value of the 5 and the string 5 is same. Return true. If I will return here 3, now we are assigning A, we are 3 in A and converting it as a string, and next we are checking A is equal to B, means 3 as a string and 5 as a string. So it will return false because both are not same. Okay. Okay. That's it.